At Emprise Bank, we really want to be a leader in the next evolution of where banking's going. And nCino has made all the difference in the world.
One of the partnership elements that we really look for is somebody that feels innovative to us. We really pride ourselves on having an innovative culture. With nCino, the ability to have commercial, small business, consumer, all in one platform has been huge for us.
It wasn't until after we switched to nCino that we realized how much easier things could be.
nCino has been more efficient for several reasons. It is much more intuitive than the previous LOI that we used. It's much easier to drive decisions.
I can go look at any loan that's in nCino and see what stage it's in. It's easy to find and navigate, and it's very transparent.
Having everything in one place, able to be troubleshot the same way, whether it's commercial or retail, has been very helpful. nCino is a forward-looking company, a company that's going to be on top of what the market trends are doing, the needs that exist in the lending space, and be on top of those and ahead of those curves.
We know that customers are demanding better and better experiences. Frankly, our team members are demanding better and better experiences internally. And so we felt it was really important to find a partner that had innovative solutions, but would also innovate along with us to deliver solutions over time.
Switching to nCino gives us the flexibility to say maybe what we envisioned for the ideal customer online experience is this today, but 2 years from now, it's very different, and we have the ability to actually make that a reality.